More alphabet faces. So we did letter A. So we're doing the next letter in the alphabet, which is, what's the next letter? I'm going to give you time. You can pause the video. Pause the video. You can say it. No, I didn't hear you, but I'll just tell you, it's the letter B. We're doing B. So I already have my circle traced for this video. That's a letter, right? That's a letter, or the number 0. That could be a 0. So for letter B, for the B alphabet face, first we're going to need an O. So let me draw an O. Here's my first O. So right beside it, we're going to do another O. Let's see. Now, even though we're doing letter B, we're putting some O's. What do you think those O's are actually going to be? I think they're going to be eyes. What do we need for our eyes? We need some dots. And you can put your dots, the dots of your eyes, anywhere you want. So the first one I did, it's in the middle, but I think for this one, it's going to be like looking the other direction, so it looks a little funny. So I have one eyeball facing forward and one to the side. You can do whatever. And I'm gonna make some eyebrows. One. Number 2. I can't make my face like it. And I'm going to put a big triangle for a nose. On the A video, we did a U shape for the nose, but on this video, we're going to try to do a triangle. Oh, yeah. So that's what a triangle nose is going to look like. That kind of reminds me of a jack-o'-lantern from Halloween. Okay. And here's where we put the letter B in. We're going to use it for our mouth. How do you think a B, the letter B, would work for our mouth? There's the letter B. If you turn it like this, then it's teeth. Wow. If you turn it this way, it looks like a B again. Or this way. So that's the B alphabet face. And we used some O's, a triangle, some dots. These kind of look like letter C if you turn it. And then what's this shape we used? Remember this shape? That's an easy shape. You know that shape. And there's the B. So last video we did A. See the A's? And then B. B. And I did some smaller drawings to show you what a small alphabet face would look like. So if your drawing looks a little bit like this because it's smaller, that's okay. As long as you're practicing making those letters. Okay, so next letter is going to be the letter C. And we're going to put it right in that circle. Right in that circle. So I'll see you then.